Welcome to Fleek Tactics Week 11 updates. 9 more weeks to go. Here are the additions and changes for this week. I have added enemy AI. Finally, enemy AI is here, and it has the movement, which is basically random, and it has more work to be done. And then there is the mech deployment, which is also work in progress. There's a new map as well, and I have also fixed a bug in versus mode. There's also this feature that if the mech units go to the other direction, they will flip so that it makes sense, right? You will understand when I will show it to you in the gameplay. And then there is the Jonah character art that I tried. I mean, my art skills are really bad. Yeah, I mean, I shouldn't say much about that. So it's playtime, and let's check out the game. Here's the game, and let's play versus mode. You can only do in versus mode right now, and this is the default map. And now I select all the teams and set them to AI, all the teams, right? Let's set starting money to something and deploy delay on. Let's just play the game that way, and I will not do anything, right? So playtime, and it's all AI, right? AI is just buying new mechs and playing with each other, right? They all are playing with each other. They won't attack each other. They only move and deploy mechs. That's what will happen. And the movement is all random, as you can see. There it is. There, see the flip. The unit flipped when it goes to the left side. The rifle mech, as you can see. See, the sport mech also flipped. There, it flipped. Right. So there's the flip feature that I talked about. And yeah, this is how it is. They will keep playing each other and doing random moves and buying more mechs, deploying more mechs. You can also actually, the thing is, you can actually interfere. You can actually interfere, right? I clicked this building and there we go. Now the game is in an infinite loop and crash. So yeah, there are a lot of issues like this. Yeah, now I have to refresh it. Oh, I actually can't refresh. That's pretty messed up. So now, if you go in the maps, there is the map 2, which is a new map, and there it is, asymmetrical map, really cool. And let me just set one AI and one, simple. And oh right, it's not playable because the user is not set, right? So one must be, I mean, there must be two players against each other. So yeah, that's how it is. And then I play the game, and let me just get some rifle max and move this to base and turn, and let's see, the AI is working fine even against the player, right? And let me just take this. Yeah, it flips, right? Right. So yeah, that's pretty normal and it's working the way it should. For the next week, we are going for enemy AI, of course. If anyone wants to contribute, enemy's AI is there. Reset turn in gameplay UI. Attack mech animations, Zareem Thaja Guru character art with some facial expression, generic soldier character face art, and you can also contribute some map or level designs. There's the map editor for that. Thank you for the contributions and for watching the updates.